Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JK from Burn the Night, and we are back at it today. We've got three really cool characters from Master Box. They're 1/24 scale, and these are the characters, the new additions to the Strange Company series by Master Box. Here we have Valerie, the welder. We have the head honcho himself, Landis. And the ever funny and charismatic Natie. Now these kits are really cool, man. Master Box always knocks it out of the park with these figures, and having these three new ones to add to the saga of Strange Company is really cool. And what's cool about these particular models, when you get them, the whole set, Master Box usually, I mean, the artwork on the boxes is always just fantastic. But on most Master Box kits, you will see that they have the directions to put the model kits together on the back. But on these particular ones that in the saga, they all have a backstory on the back of them, and they're really cool backstories. Every character is unique in their own way. And seeing how they're 1/24 scale, it's really cool because they fit great with cars. And this is the machine they've been working on, this beautiful 66 Nova. But let's get back to these guys. Anyway, so always be prepared to use an X-Acto knife to clean your edges. Small paint brushes. I use Valerie paint, and I use Magic Touch brushes to do my painting and my characters. And I got these kits from plasticmodelsstore.com. They're a Ukraine company. They're great though, man. They got good shipping, great, excellent prices, and you can pick these three guys up here from the website for under 20 bucks, and get them in about 14 days. They're really, really cool. The whole kit is cool. I got the whole collection of them, and they're just fun, and it's great to be creative. So thank you again to plasticmodelsstore.com, and for all you guys watching the video, keep rocking out there, keep being creative, and we'll see you on the next time. This is JK from Burn the Night saying thank you very much.